I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I got a full market plan. I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those dollars ring. I'm a shark swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark.
All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. There we go. Brought to you by Wall Street Blues, baby. Hope you enjoyed that intro. It's one of the AI songs that I made. Well, I didn't make it. AI made it. Good morning, everybody. Salcero, what's up, bro? Joel, I'm a shark. Yes, sir. Barbara, good morning. How are you? My plan was actually to make more of those AI songs, but I didn't want to overdo it with the uploads. So, but I hope you did enjoy that. All right, let's take a look here. So we got some screener. ACAN is popping up the most, currently up 117%. We got NCPL. I only got $35 a day trade with on my cash account. Everything else is settling. Let's see, I was looking at BSFC, low volume. FFIE also popping up here, 139, retesting that pre-market high. VHAI, Buru had a nice little pop up to 23. Pyro was asking about that. Alright, today is Friday, of course. No surprise there. Just letting everybody know that Monday there's no trading, apparently. What is it? It's Memorial Day. I don't even know what is Memorial Day. Oh, okay. It's like a memorial memorizing all the fallen veterans. Jagex also looking pretty interesting here. Sorry, I'm not a holiday person. It's not really a holiday, but PAVS popping up here. Just popping up. Volume relatively low. Market cap is small. Any news? FFIE now breaking 140 or hitting 140. A lot of low volume today. Let's take a quick look at GME here. Wow, GME fell into the 18s yesterday. I didn't even realize that. AMC also fell off. Let's take a look at SunPower here. SunPower is sitting around 280. No surprise. Very similar. All right. Don't got much. I get my day trades next week, so for my margin account, but I say next week is also next day settled cash, so I think I actually might transfer some of my money over to my cash account. We got about 17, 16, 15 minutes left until the market is open. There we go. See, Brewer having a low volume, slight pop. Apparently, they had more news. Nope, just a bunch of weird articles covering. I don't really like anything here pre-market. I think if you were up early, maybe then you would have made some money. I was up early, but I was playing. I was doing chess. I'll make a video on that later. As of right now, I don't really see much. I was considering Lucy when I did look at the market. Lucy, relatively low float, not bad. Did kind of had some spikes the last couple of days. Let's see, Boover is definitely gonna do a split at some point. FFIE coming back down. Again, still not really liking anything. Not really seeing anything. PAVS is still moving here. PAVS has some has the market's interest, but we are hitting this resistance at 158. HLTH, somewhat interesting. Spiking up now. I don't like how we do have a lot of resistance up above, so they're probably going to try to push it down. BDRX has made the list. Had that nice little run in pre-market. What was that? On Tuesday, dropped off Wednesday. Brewer slightly climbing up here. We could see some market action. TIRX had some good moves on it. STSS, I completely forgot about this company. Very interesting underlying fundamentals on it. Just, I see the market doesn't care about it. Not that the fundamentals are good on paper either. ACAN, yeah, most of these runners are kind of just trading sideways, kind of bouncing in between volume areas. That's why I like waiting for the market open here. Hopefully you can hear it in my voice. I do sound a lot better. I feel a lot better. but I am still a little stuffy. Buru's still moving. Buru is still, I don't know, it's going down. PAVS also going down. But yeah, so I'm coming out the other side of it. BTTR better. How many splits has this company done? I feel like Better has done so many splits. No, wow, they've only done one. One for 44. That was recently. Better is moving. We do have resistance at $7. Could be an interesting trade here. Float is also incredibly tiny. I don't know. I don't know about some power. Did have a pop. Still running into that 500 EMA on the 4 hour. What about silver? I haven't even checked. Lucy is up about 28%. Yes, Joel. Oh, wait, is Lucy moving up? Yeah, okay, it's just trading sideways. Yeah. Let's see, silver. I mean, silver bounced right off of where I was expecting it to bounce off of, so silver is just doing exactly what I thought it would be doing. Right now, there's no surprise to it. Probably going to be trading sideways, slightly down and sideways for the remainder of the month. Seems like we get a pop in the first 2 weeks of the month, then we get a drop. Probably a lot to do with contracts. SMFL. I mean, we got low volume again on the pre-market here. I was kind of hoping that this whole GME liquidity thing would last a little bit longer. There we go. Better moving up. 560. We got real resistance at like 730 or something. We are into the second to last 5-minute candle here before market opens. We do have resistance at 585 as well, which we are kind of running into right now. If you manage to break it, there's a gap at this like 740 area. All right, well, you're breaking it. You're moving up very quickly. 610, 630. They could leave it halfway in this channel, so like 660. We hit 630. 660, 663. All right, so 730 could be the next level. I'm surprised. Where's BSFC at? I know we got betters running, but I was expecting BSFC to do something very similar. How's IPW doing? I gotta look at IPW's fundamentals again, because IPW's fundamentals were actually pretty good. If I don't, yeah, they equity, their cash on hand's not great, but they're pretty much. I mean, they're trading 44, double this. Yeah, I mean, they could easily be trading. I think IPW could be a nice little play to get into still. I'm gonna buy some shares of that company just to see. 688, so better, did kind of fill this sort of gap between the 200 and the 500 EMA. Did run into that resistance or this mid range of this channel. Do have a bunch of volume that we're running into. Actually, that little wick right there was it running into it, and right now we're just underneath it. Nothing crazy there. BDRX. Yeah. Nah, it's interesting. So I've been we got 5 minutes left before the market opens, and I'm not going to be trading, so I'm going to just talk for a little bit instead of just looking at the charts the entire time. Wait for the market open. It's going to change anyways. Yeah, so I've been playing a lot of chess recently, the last couple of days, mainly because I've been sick, so I haven't really had much energy to do anything else. But I've just been playing chess, and it's kind of interesting because, at least in my mind, you can kind of overlay the way the market works in its candle movements with chess, because I mean that's kind of what's just going on, right? Especially better if you look at the right, if you have this indicator, this this VP indicator that Webull offers, right? It's you can also get on TradingView. There's different variations of it. Basically, it kind of just tells you where all the volume is laying, right? So when you run into this volume, it's about how you kind of manage that volume, or manage the behavior of that volume. If you got a bunch of volume above $6 on better, it's not really gonna go much higher, right? So like between 6 and 6 like 80, which is like pretty much where we're now getting pushed underneath, is this big volume area. Now this is where shorts are going to use, because you got bulls who are in, so people who are bullish, they're trying to get out. Shorts are using that to their advantage, and then it's just selling more. BSFC still coming down, but I don't know, the back and forth movements of figuring out what market makers want to do, because there's only so many moves that they can make, right? This is why you have candle patterns and chart patterns, and this is why technical analysis works, because it's just all a game of chess, and chess is also psychological. So there you go, there's my little rant on chess. I'm gonna make a video on it. I know no one really gives a shit, but if you see the market the way that I do, it's very similar. See, TIRX is a perfect example of this. So if we do pop up, we're definitely going to hit 370. We're currently trading at 340. There's an underside of this volume. You got this volume gap right here in the mid range of this channel at like 380, and then above that you got a bunch of volume stacked up. Now they do have volume at 340 as well, 350, which they're now trying to push it underneath. But my guess is you can see that this volume bar is increasing below that in the 330s. So if TIRX has enough volume, it'll try to break it. And generally what happens is, where like how you see these squeezes on these plays a lot of the times is when you're able to break out of this volume channel, right? Like TRX has another one at like 530. There's like a little volume gap where like between 430 and 580, and this little volume gap is a place where, how do you say, shorts might use that as an area to cover. Bulls might use it as a way to try to push up the stock. Shorts will use it as a way to bring it down. There's a bunch of key levels you have to pay attention to. Works does have low volume, but we just did get a spike in volume. a lot of companies not filing their filings. But yeah, if you don't have if you're using Webull or TradingView and you don't have this volume um, indicator set up, I think it'll definitely not help you in understand. If you set it up, it'll help you understanding a little bit better and how the volume behaves. All right, but market's open in about 5 seconds, so good luck to everyone. There we go. Boom, market is open. Updating the list. ACAN kind of coming down here, just letting the initial shakeouts happen. Better kind of getting dropped here. It still could go higher. It still has range to the mid sevens. TIRX, here we go. We're going to see this little pop to 370, 380 area. We're at 350. We're pushing this. I don't know how sustainable this. I mean, we could always break it. If we break this 430 level, then yeah, that's when you get the squeeze. PAVS is dropping. BSFC not really doing much. Volume's not that great. FFIE on the way down. ONMD with a quick spike up. We do have a gap at 180. They're going to try to bring this back down to the 120s. I think they might let it run to the 220s. I think the only way to bring it down is to bring it up first. There we go. Better is halted. 694. We are moving. Lucy, there we go. See, Lucy. I figured Lucy might want to take a little swing at it. All right, we hit 360 on TIRX, getting pushed down. Not sure if we have enough volume. BSFC. All right, hold up. I think. Let's look at the 1 minute volume. 1 minute volume's not that great. It could be the fact that we just haven't grabbed enough attention yet. Lucy is still moving up here. Volume is not consistent whatsoever. It's a bit concerning. We're looking for something with a bit of consistency. All right, we want a move that's going to move, not something that's... We're only 2 minutes in, so it's no guarantee we're going to find it. Buru dropping it open. Brewer does have these gaps up to 17. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a bit of a rally there. And CPL trying to pop up here. Okay. Works. Yeah, not enough. I don't like the way that's set up. TRX is still going to get pop-ups here. ACAN dropping. No surprise. Sadly, BSFC doesn't have consistency in volume. RVSN. This one likes to move, does it not? Oh yeah, this one definitely likes to move. Wait a second. RVSN? How the hell? Hold up, let's take a look. Some power had a little bit of a spike here. Not bad. ACAN trying to maintain the fives. NCPL struggling and decisive. Works still pushing up here. Okay, hold up. Work says consistency and volume. What about the 4? Okay, well, we're well past that. Alright, so we're looking more here. Yeah, we got resistance at 280. We have 444. Yeah, 312. 312 mid volume range. HLTH. SMFL. SMFL moving. Damn, I don't really have that much to actually trade with. Just realized that. Guru, 11 million shares at the open. That's insane. ACAN is now getting dropped. Better is still halted. NCPL also coming down. Health trying to break out. Yep, see you got volume is a little bit of an issue. BSFC. Alright, we're going in. BSFC. Something about it. It's going to be a bit tricky, but we'll see. We have the float traded. We have consistency. We're starting to get consistency in volume. Oh, and then we're getting dropped again. Never mind. One minute. We'll keep an eye on all the plays. Lucy still making some pop-ups here. Oh, wait, where's Better? Better unhalted. Better hit 694. So yeah, we are trying to push for that $740 area. If we look at the daily here, we do have a big gap down below. We got levels at 750 and 1115 for Better. ACAN still dropping. Better still trying to push up here. Good bounce off of the 13. HLTH looking to break out here. We don't actually have that much volume. There's no volume up above on HLTH. If you get consistency, which you kind of already do, you could see a big move here. Some power. Let's take a look. He opened up at 4. That's crazy. PD had a bad day yesterday. Wow. Nvidia getting dropped at the open. SPY is climbing up. We got dropped yesterday. Schwab is moving up. We got 41 tickers. Better hit 715. There you go. NCPL still moving on the way down. Yeah, BSFC still looks good. The volume is a bit sketchy. But it could be the case that we just get a surge in volume at some point. The way it's set up is not terrible. You know, we need to break this 325 level, which is kind of where I bought in. We got 350, 412, 540. Whoa, look at that. ONMD, massive move to the upside. That was the consistency I was looking for. Damn, look at that volume. That was good. That's good volume. Better also having good volume. Maybe BSFC is going to get that volume. Not yet, though. Lucy still playing around. Doesn't have a terrible setup. Just no real confirmation yet. There you go. You see that selling pressure volume caking up on better, though. Having a tough time breaking that $7 area. ACAN still moving down. That's why I don't like these plays. There's always that one play that runs up massively that you just know is going to get dumped at the open. For me, that was ACAN. Better got halted on the way down. Yep. Seems like it. Better halted on the way down. ONMD has the attention of the market, it seems. We're suspended on the way up. NCPL, good bounce off the 120. HLTH struggling, doesn't have enough volume to push. Too much volume in pre-market. Notice that that's also a trend. If you have too much volume in pre-market, it's not good. You need like a good balance, kind of like what ONMD had. Lucy still wants to go though. Lucy did have an imbalance of volume in pre-market, but they have this massive. See, actually, ONMD, Lucy, and BSFC all have very similar setups in regards that they popped up and kind of came down right away. So maybe we got sort of a consistency in that trend. Come on. I want to see a flip with volume. We don't need this inside red candle. It's a Friday. I mean, what are you really expecting here? Pretty confident on this though. Seems like we're just playing around for now. I mean, it could just be that the volume dies out. That could just be the case. I see people talking about Peggy. What's Peggy doing? Peggy making a move to the upside after a drop. Peggy launching. Good open. Volume is a bit questionable though, but alright. Holo still getting dropped. Peggy with a 12% candle to the upside at the open. How's IPW? What's the flow on this? 30? I don't know. Part of me says that IPW has another pop in it. Well, when is their next earnings? When's IPW's next earnings? Or do they need to? They just had their recent earnings. It's probably why you see that pop up. I mean, they could still go up a little bit. Alright. BSFC's volume is not quite there. I think if we see a move in this, it's gonna be quick. Could have just picked the wrong play. That could also be the case. You got a low volume drop. There's no way, man. Got a gap. It's just gonna come down. Bounce off this. If the support is at 3 here on BSFC, I think we're good. 304. FFIE bouncing off the 200. By the way, whatever. Yeah, what happened with Petco? Petco did continue to climb. No, not really, though. Our average was pretty shit. AMC is up 4%. GME with some good green candles here. Are we going to get some surprise moves, some surprise covering? Alright, well, we held the $3 pretty well on BSFC. That's what you need. Now you just need volume. Alright. I don't really want to buy this ticker though, just after this big pop-up. Guess it's just gonna get dropped. BSFC will definitely have its pop. See, this actually might be a couple of days before it does. No, we'll see. I mean, the setup isn't bad. It just needs volume. Just give me half a mil in vol. Give me half a milli. Throw a half a milli. There we go. See? There we go. See? Come on, BSFC. Haha. You son of a gun. I know what you got, son. Let's go. Alright. Come on. Play around with it. Slap it about. O&MD unhalted here, moving up to 280, breaking pre-market highs. Hold the phone. Where's the other play? Lucy. Oh, okay. BSFC is gonna go. BSFC. We're going to the fours here. There's no way. There's three tickers. There's three tickers with the very similar setups. BSFC, Lucy, and O&MD. O&MD and Lucy have both made moves to that pre-market high. So BSFC is the only one lagging behind. Come on, baby. Come on, BSFC. I know what you got in store for me. Come on, baby. Make this a good day. Make this a good day. I know. I see you. I see you, bruh. I've been playing too much chess. Yeah, O&MD, good move. 100%. 260, you see that volume kick in. They don't want to let it run above it. Lucy hitting the 30s, good run. Better getting dropped, NCPL. SMFL also having a nice pops. Where's the volume on this son of a gun? Well, okay, to be fair, it's having its volume. There we go. Come on. There we go, 340s. We're looking to we're breaking 360s here. That's what we're looking for. It's going to be quick. I know it's going to be quick. It's going to be so quick. There we go. Ah. What are we? 7% on the position. That's actually not bad. All right, here we go. Here's the shorting attempt. Trying to use that previous level of 350. Keep it underneath. This is where the volume kicks in. Let's go. 360s. Break the 360s. That's all we need. Come on, be nice. Hit what was that level? 5? Yeah, 540. 410 I'm okay with. 540 would be beautiful. 360 on the dot. We're looking to break that level. Come on. 360. We want to see 360 above 360. We got the juice. The volume's kicking in. We got that consistency. Boom, 361. That's what we wanted to see. Now we're looking for the 68. 62. 65. Told you, baby. Can't. Don't play around with me like that, bro. What is that? Alright, to be fair, that was the first real ladder attack. That was the first ladder attack of the day. O&MD chilling at the 250s here. There we go. Let's see how we deal with this ladder attack. That was a strong ladder attack. You can definitely tell that the spread is slightly big. There's no volume up above us, really, right? No, okay. Yeah, we got volume up 470, which is where we kind of hit that pre-market high. Makes sense. They're going to try to use 470 to 520 as resistance. Starting off at 470. Still need to break that 355, 360 level. I mean, we hit 368. We hit 368 on the dot. I said we need to hit that, so this still got to go. I still want to see the. I mean, okay, we did basically hit the 370s, did we not? Well, what, we traded the float over in a candle, so. Do we have enough juice? Interesting. That was quick. Did say it was gonna be quick. I didn't expect it to be this quick. Thought we were gonna get at least 2 candles up here. To be fair though, we did that already. How's the 5-minute going? Well, good news is the VWAP for some reason pushed up like that. We got candle just underneath that 320 level. Yeah. Or sorry, 330 level. Try to keep it below this level. Still need to hit that 320. We're gonna see it pop up again. All right, ACAN looking to come back up here. Finally getting that swing. Probably gonna see an attempt for that 560. Lucy hit 36.65. Beautiful pop up here. Seeing that buying pressure kick in. ONMD struggling a little bit. Trying to bring it back to the top of that VWAP at 230. SMFL, consistent volume. That's good. Better, still struggling on its way down. There we go. We're hitting that 320 level. So we hit 3, bounced, 320, bounced. Next level, so if we do pop up, we're looking to use 330 as support. Better moving up? No, that's ISSC. I'm not sure if anybody's in that, but if you are, it's looking good. HLTH dropping. GH struggling. IVP. No volume. Let's update the screener real quick. ACAN. There we go. ACAN with the pop up from 480 to 520. Good move. NCPL breaking down. ONMD still with that good bounce off the VWAP here. Lucy still looking to go higher. Lucy's really going to make a move. Currently up 90%, looking to break 36. We are at the 500 EMA on the 4, which would be at 34, so that is resistance. We're also hitting resistance on the daily at 36. So Lucy could see a high. If not, we're going to be moving up significantly higher. Maybe the weekly tells us something. Weekly, we got 45, and yeah, so next hard resistance would be 45 on Lucy. If you manage to break the 34s consistently, 3666. You're looking to break, next level is the 45s on Lucy. Hard resistance. ONMD with another spring up. ONMD mid-range between the 120 and the 200 on the daily. 360 would be hard resistance. You do have RSI kind of cooked up there. Interesting. The volume was shorts covering, or at least trying to, and then holding it back down. They're gonna try. Yeah, they're still gonna try to bring it back down to this 290 level. We should get another pop up here. At least to this 350. Maybe not. IPW making a move, 182. Damn. I'm saying that 160 is gonna try to make another move here, which is exactly what it did. Wow. Yeah, you got resistance at 196 on IPW. Boil band on the daily. Earnings weren't great, but yeah, still looking for that move. Yeah, I mean, we hit 480 on the dot. Of course we did. Did hit the boil band. Hold up. Four resistance 340. Still got support there. Selling pressure into that range of the first candle. Yeah, Lucy hit 38. ACAN getting dropped again. ONMD still holding the 240 level, bouncing off the VWAP. NCPL on the way down. Works with a nice spike to 290. Better all the way back down to 540. ISSC. Low volume still. AEI. Low volume pop. BSFC now getting really starting to get dropped here. Yeah, damn. That's weird. Tell me we had a massive pop-up in volume. We're still going back down. Did we it was really that quick? Wow. Man. Sometimes it just happens too quick. Sun power below 280. One. Lucy, yeah. Lucy is really struggling with that 4 hour. I can't believe. Well, work's still moving. 298. Can't believe we just long wicked that. We had the most volume ever and we just long wicked it. That makes no sense. I mean, I get the volume long wick, but I guess nobody wanted to. Maybe not yet. We'll just do that. All right. ONMD still pushing up. Oh, let me grab some more coffee. One sec. All right. I don't think we're done on this BSFC trade. Lucy definitely hit some levels. ONMD, I think. I mean, ONMD is at a weekly resistance. If it breaks, it's going to 430 on the weekly, of course. I mean, you still got 360 up above it. And if I remove the extended, it's probably going to be 420s. But that's, of course, if it breaks these levels. Still technically hasn't broken out from that weekly resistance yet. It needs to clear it by some decent, and probably people are going to start taking profit. Well, MMAT is also moving back up. MMAT popping back up here as well. Oh, MMAT doesn't look bad. Whoa, what the heck? Holy crap. SVM. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Ooh-wee. Wow. My silver play moving. Oh, BSFC stopped me out. Alright, well, not the greatest trade I've made, but it was on small money. But let's talk about silver. What's going on here, guys? Oh, I need to look at these earnings. Holy crap. Hold up. Told you. SVM is gonna be brilliant, man. Give me them earnings. It's probably gonna get dumped, but hey, good buying opportunity. Let me check the fundamentals on this bad boy. No, it still hasn't priced that in yet. Damn. All right. Oh wow, look at SVM. Holy shit. What's going on, man? Man, BSFC was such a downer. My day trade didn't work out, but my silver play is doing good. ONMD was the play. 320. There you go. Of course, I picked the out of the 3 plays with the same setup. Of course, I picked the one that doesn't fucking fulfill its fucking setup, man. That's crazy. Works is still moving. Works is starting to pick up in volume, actually. Volume is pretty good. Need to not get emotionally attached to some of these plays. Oh, look at that. Hold up. Yeah, mid-range of this channel. 421. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. I got options on these bad boys as well. Only 2, sadly, but... And this is when silver's down, by the way. I just want you to take that in. Soak it in, ladies and gentlemen. Oof. Makes me a little nervous. We are at resistance points. But regardless, good earnings. Alright, let's get back to it. I can't trade anymore. So, but I'm still gonna keep an eye on the market. Lucy, there we go, Lucy. Where did BSFC go? Wow, look at Lucy. 40. Yep, it's heading to that 45 area. 41. Wow, are you kidding me, man? The one play. The one play. The 1 out of 3. I picked the 1. Not the one that's running either. It reminds me of that, you know that game show theory? Where it's like, if you have like a host, right? And it's like there's a car behind, like there's 3 doors and there's a car behind one of the 3 doors, right? And there's 2 goats behind the 2 other doors, right? And he's like, all right, you can pick one door. And you pick one door and it's a goat, right? And then it's like, all right, well, you can pick, you can, or no, he doesn't show you the door. He's like, I'm going to show you one of the other doors, right? And he shows you a goat. He's like, if you pick, you can choose the other one or you can stick with the one that you have, right? And I think statistically, it's like a math problem thing where it's like, if you choose the other one, then you actually have a better chance of picking the car. That's how I feel right now. Except instead of like having, there's like, instead of having 2 goats in one car, it's two cars and 1 goat. All right, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. I can't trade anymore. It's a Friday. Hope you made some money on Lucy, ONMD. Those were the winners. Winner, chicken dinners. IPW also popped up nicely. I'm gonna go enjoy looking at SVM for the day, even though it's probably gonna pull back and sell off back into the support of 4. But hey, I'm gonna enjoy myself for the day. Actually, hold up. Let's look at Fubo. Fubo had a nice little pop up. What about SunPower? SunPower doing anything? No. All right. Yeah. That's it for me today, guys. I'll catch you guys Tuesday. Yeah. There's no trading on Monday, so yeah, just keep that in mind. Joel, Barbara, Salcero, thank you guys for stopping by. There's probably a couple other people in the background. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the intro. Until next time, peace.